These are a bunch of York central air conditioners at an elementary school in McKinney, Texas. The York, I forget, Stellar Series. And that's a Latitude right there. It's obviously newer. I don't feel like going inside there, but I'll just film them from here. See them. It's fine. Those ones are probably like 2.5 or 3 tons maybe, and these are probably like 4 tons. That one might be like a 5 ton. That's probably a 4 ton. I don't know. Yeah, these are York Stellar Plus. I don't know if I got that logo on camera. And there's a Ducane right there. One running over here. There's a Ducane right there. Back in the corner. York Stellar Plus heat pump. These are heat pumps. Another Ducane. Here's one running. Another York Stellar Plus running. And yes, it is raining. There's a shutdown. It's raining right now. There's another one running. There is a Trane XR 12 right there. Alright. Anyways, that's it for these. Here are a few more units. By the way, it's June 16th, 2015. And it's about 3 p.m. Alright, anyways. There's the disconnect boxes for these units. Let's see, do these have data sheets? No, they do not. Anyway.